Hey everyone! Welcome to Make English Easy. I'm Hazel, your friend and guide to learning English in a fun, stress-free way. Today, we're diving into something super exciting. How to practice speaking English even if you don't have a teacher or a friend to talk to. I know learning to speak English can feel tricky. Maybe you live somewhere where English isn't common, or maybe you feel a bit shy. That's okay. I've got a secret weapon for you, GPT. It's a tool that feels like a friendly conversation buddy, and it's here to help you practice speaking anytime, anywhere. In this episode, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to talk about things you love, improve your English, and feel more confident. Plus, I've got a special gift for you, a free PDF with this script, easy speaking prompts, and a fun vocabulary quiz. You can grab it at www.makeenglisheasy.com/resources. Let's get started. So, what's ChatGPT? It's a computer program, but it acts like a real person you can talk to. You can speak to it using your phone's microphone, and it talks back in natural English. It's patient, it doesn't judge, and it's always ready to chat. Whether you want to talk about food, movies, or your day, ChatGPT is there to listen and respond. Why is this so great? Because speaking is one of the best ways to improve your English, but finding someone to practice with can be hard. With ChatGPT, you don't need to wait for a class or a friend. You can practice right now, even for just 5 minutes. Let's think about this together. What topics do you love talking about? Maybe your favorite hobby or what you ate for breakfast. ChatGPT lets you choose, so it feels personal and fun. Let's try an example. Imagine you open your phone and say, "Hey ChatGPT, let's talk about my favorite food." It might reply, "That sounds delicious. What's your favorite food? Do you like pizza, sushi, or maybe something special from your hometown?" Just like that, you're having a real conversation. If you say, "I love pizza," it might ask, "Nice choice. What kind of pizza do you like? Do you make it yourself or get it from a restaurant?" See how easy that is? You're talking, practicing English, and having fun. If the words feel too hard, you can say, "Please use simple English," and ChatGPT will adjust. It's like having a kind teacher who's always there for you. Now you might be wondering, what should I talk about? The answer is simple: anything that matters to you. Talking about your real life helps you learn faster because it feels meaningful. For example, in the morning you could say, "Good morning, ChatGPT. I'm feeling sleepy today. How about you?" It might reply, "Good morning. I'm always awake and ready to chat. Why are you sleepy? Did you stay up late?" And just like that, you're practicing. You can talk about your day, like what you ate for breakfast or what you plan to do later. If you love movies, you could say, "Let's talk about my favorite movie." If you like traveling, try, "Can we talk about a fun trip I took?" The key is to pick something you enjoy, so it doesn't feel like work. Let's try another example. Say you're nervous about speaking English at an airport. You can practice with ChatGPT by saying, "Pretend I'm at an airport. Help me speak English slowly." It might respond, "Sure, let's imagine you're at the airport." You could say, "Excuse me, where is the gate for my flight?" Try it and I'll help you. You can practice useful phrases like asking for directions or ordering food. For example, you could say, "Let's pretend we're at a coffee shop. Can I practice ordering?" ChatGPT might reply, "Absolutely. We're in a cozy coffee shop." You could say, "Hi, can I have a coffee, please? What would you like to order?" This kind of practice makes you feel ready for real-life situations, like traveling or chatting with new people. One of the best things about ChatGPT is that it can help you fix your mistakes without making you feel embarrassed. Let's say you want to improve your grammar. You can tell ChatGPT, "Please correct my mistakes." For example, if you say, "Yesterday, I go to the park," it might gently reply, "Great try." Let's say, "Yesterday, I went to the park," because we use went for the past. Want to try another sentence? It's like having a patient friend who helps you get better step by step. Mistakes are okay. They're how we learn. Can you think of a time you felt nervous about making a mistake in English? With ChatGPT, you can practice without worry because it's just you and the tool. How often should you practice with ChatGPT? Great question. Even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. You don't need long lessons to improve. Just a short chat every day helps your speaking get smoother and your vocabulary grow stronger. For example, you could wake up and say, "Good morning, ChatGPT. I'm having cereal for breakfast. What's a fun breakfast idea?" Or in the evening, try, "Hey, let's talk about my day. I went for a walk." These small moments add up. You can also make it fun by saying, "Ask me 3 questions about my weekend," or "Let's talk about the weather." It's flexible, so you can practice whenever you have a few minutes, like while waiting for a bus or relaxing at home. Here's a cool idea. Try role-playing with ChatGPT. Pretend you're in different situations, like shopping, meeting a friend, or asking for help. For example, say, "Let's pretend I'm at a store buying clothes." ChatGPT might reply, "Awesome, you're in a clothing store." You could say, "Hi, do you have this shirt in blue? What do you want to buy?" This helps you practice real-world English in a safe, fun way. You can also ask for new words. If you're talking about food and don't know the word for something, just say, "What's the English word for this?" and describe it. ChatGPT will teach you, like, "Oh, you mean spaghetti." It's like having a dictionary that talks back. Another tip is to keep it consistent. Try chatting with ChatGPT every day, even for a little bit. Maybe you talk about your plans in the morning or what happened during your day at night. The more you practice, the more natural English feels. You don't need to be perfect, just keep going. If you're shy, start with easy topics, like your favorite game or what you did yesterday. Over time, you'll feel braver and try harder topics, like explaining your job or dreams. What's one small thing you could talk about with ChatGPT today to start practicing? As you practice more, you'll start to notice something amazing. Your English is getting better, and you're having fun while it happens. You might find yourself using new words without thinking, or you might realize you're not as shy as you used to be. You don't have to share them with anyone. Just listen to yourself and see how much you've improved. You could say, "ChatGPT, I'm going to record our chat today to hear how I sound." After a week or two, listen back and compare. You'll be amazed at how much smoother your English sounds. Another way to track progress is to keep a little journal of new words or phrases you learn from your chats. For example, if you learn the word delicious while talking about food, write it down and try to use it again the next day. This helps you remember and builds your confidence. All right, my friends, that's it for today's episode of Make English Easy. I'm Hazel, and I'm so proud of you for taking steps to improve your English. Speaking can feel scary, but with ChatGPT, you've got a friend who's always ready to help. Start with 5 minutes a day. Talk about what you love and watch your confidence grow. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.